Good or bad? RJR Gleaner Don Anderson polls unveil favorability ratings of both political parties and their leaders ahead of the September 3 general election. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Also this evening, standoff continues between teachers and the government over wage negotiations, and sexual practices of school children under the microscope. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.